So if you want to quickly change up your hairstyle without any damage, no heat damage, most importantly, no regrets, then you have to check out these ponytail extensions. I have it in my hair right now. They're literally just hair extensions for your ponytail. The ponytail extensions I'm going to share with you today are from the brand Insert Name Here. Insert Name Here is an up-and-coming beauty brand, and they are seriously such a cute brand. They are cute, they're fun, they're trendy. If you go to their website, I feel like their website is just me. Like there's pink, there's white. It's just fashionable, it's trendy, it's modern. I love it. And honestly, seriously, some of the sweetest people ever. Also, they are the #1 best-selling ponytails on the internet right now. These ponytails are super affordable, insanely easy to use, and also really quick. Like if I can do it, you can do it. And they also actually feel like human hair. I honestly feel like by the end of this video, you are going to love these ponytails as much as I do. I am so thankful to Insert Name Here, our INH, for sending me these ponytails. They sent me 2 ponytails, the Lola Ponytail and the Jordynn Ponytail. Fun fact is, I was already in the process of getting the Jordynn Ponytail. I was literally contemplating it, talking about it with my boyfriend, kind of explaining to him how, it'd be a really good idea to just have one of these ponytails and to go travel with it, so that whenever I don't feel like I want to style my hair or I want something like really quick and easy, I could just pop one of these ponytails on like super quick and I could be out the door. Because oftentimes when I'm traveling, a lot of times I'm in a rush. Like I don't want to spend an hour getting my hair done, or I also just like don't want to inconvenience anyone with like hogging up the bathroom for an hour. So with this ponytail, I feel like I should always have this in my suitcase, so that whenever I have one of those days where I'm like, I just don't want to like heat style my hair and stuff like that, I could just really pop this on. And it will also help me to feel a little bit more confident, because whenever I just have like all my hair back in a bun, I can't help but feel like a little manly. Honestly, 24/7, I always want to be cute. Well, unless I'm like by myself at home, whatever. But like when I'm traveling, I almost always want to be cute. So I feel like this is so easy to just make me look a little bit more cute and a little bit more feminine, all while still having like all my hair back. So again, I am so freaking thankful to Insert Name Here for sending me these ponytails. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to show you the Lola and Jordynn ponytails. I am going to show you how freaking easy it is to use them. I'll also show you how to care for them, and then we will wrap it up with a quick review at the end of the video. So let me know in the comments below, which is your favorite. Do you like the Jordynn ponytail, or do you like the Lola ponytail? And also, if you find that you are interested in purchasing one of these ponytails, I do have a discount code for you, so I will leave it down in the description box below. I'll also post it up here. They're already affordable as is, but yeah, we also have a discount code for you as well. There are so many different ponytails on their website. It's insane. I definitely am going to be purchasing some other ponytails because it is just so fun to change up your hairstyle every once in a while, and it's so quick too. So this is such like a good investment. Change up your hairstyle, don't have to ruin your hair, don't have to have any regrets. They also have a bunch of colors to choose from as well. And if you have any difficulty with finding your color, you can actually talk to one of their stylists and they can help pick out a color for you. And also, if you are concerned about getting the wrong color, they do have little test strips that you could try out before you actually purchase the hair. So anyways, I feel like that was a lot of talking in the beginning of the video. Let's go ahead and try on these ponytails. I love doing product review videos for you, and I also love trying out new makeup. So if you are also interested in that, make sure to subscribe. And also, if you are enjoying the video at any point, make sure to like it. Okay, let's go. This is the Jordynn ponytail and my personal favorite. The Jordynn ponytail is mid-length with layered curls. It's 18 inches and weighs 110 grams, making it super lightweight. This super cute ponytail can help you achieve that girl next door look. It's the perfect everyday, all day ponytail. It's $49 and comes in 21 different colors. This is the Lola Ponytail. The Lola Ponytail is mid-length with a teardrop swoop at the end. It's 17 inches, weighs 175 grams. And both of these ponytails are made with vegan synthetic fiber from Japan. It has heat resistance up to 320 degrees. However, it's recommended that you don't apply any heat on this hair. The super stylish Lola ponytail can help you achieve a sophisticated look. It's $49 and comes in 17 different colors. Okay, now let me show you how freaking fast and easy it is to put on these ponytails. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this part because I'm just simply putting my hair in like a mid-length ponytail. Okay, are you ready? This is seriously gonna be so freaking easy. Like, it's almost like just putting on a hair tie. So basically, you're going to take the hair and unravel it, and then you're gonna see these little hooks, clips, or whatnot. You take those and you just insert it into your hair tie, and then once you have that in there, super easy, just fits right in. You're gonna go ahead and take this longer piece of hair, which is also attached to like this Velcro, and then you just wrap it around. And then once you wrap around the Velcro part, you take the loose remaining hair and then you wrap it around the ponytail so that you cannot tell that, you know, it's a extension. And that is literally all you have to do. Also, you can just like kind of tuck the hair, the remaining hair, into your hair, or you could just use a bobby pin, and that's literally it. It's so simple, it's so easy. You could do a high ponytail, you could do a low ponytail. My ponytail, I choose to have it in the middle. You can, you know, put your bangs out like I do, or you could just slick all your hair back. Either way, it looks really good. Removing the ponytail is just as easy. All you do is unravel it and you pull it off. This is the Lola ponytail. You literally do the same exact thing. A few tips I like to share are, if your hair is long or thick, you can braid the ponytail to make it blend better. If you're struggling to blend it, you can try curling the ponytail or putting it in a bun. And lastly, if you want to make your ponytail look new again, all you have to do is just spray it with water, shake it, and let it air dry. Now, as far as my personal review goes, I love these ponytails. Like I said in the beginning of the video, they're so fun, and you can see for yourself, they just like quickly change up your style. A few cons I have is the hair does feel slightly close to human hair, not identical, and it's not the highest quality of hair that I have tried. I have tried hair extensions before, and these feel like a little bit lower quality, so I wouldn't expect to have like this amazing 100% feeling like real human hair. And also another con would be more catered to me. I do have more of a sensitive scalp. Like, I get headaches just from wearing a hat. So I cannot wear it for too long. I would give it about like 3 hours. I haven't tried wearing it for longer than that, but there is some weight on my head. And like I said, I have a sensitive scalp. Apart from that, I really don't have anything else negative to say. Like I said, they're so insanely easy to use. And I'm really looking forward to taking these ponytails out and just, you know, traveling with them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my review. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like it if you did. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future, or if you would just like to keep seeing these ponies, because I'm definitely going to be wearing them a lot more. Also, again, I do have that discount code for you, so if you would like to save some money on these super affordable ponies, make sure to check down in the box below to get the discount code. And I think that's all I have for this video. Yeah. Okay, there was some other stuff that I wanted to say, but I think I'm just gonna save it for another video. So for now, I'm just gonna say bye, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!
I can't help